Plaza. So for today's video, we're gonna talk about Jose Rizal and the 10 interesting facts about him. So tara, pag-usapan natin siya. Jose Protasio Rizal Mercado y Alonzo Rialonda, known as Dr. Jose Rizal, born on June 19, 1861, which is our national hero. So the first interesting fact about Dr. Jose Rizal is that he is a polyglot. Ano nga ba ang polyglot? Ang polyglot are those people who can speak different languages, just like Dr. Jose Rizal. He can speak 22 languages such as English, French, Spanish, Chinese, and many more. Alam niyo ba that Dr. Jose Rizal was born with a big head? His hat were 6.5 across an entire measure 8 from front to back. Sabi nga ng mga matatanda, ang may mga malalaking ulo daw ay matatalino. Sa iyong palagay, totoo kaya? O isa itong haka-haka? So alam niyo ba guys, Dr. Jose Rizal was about 5 feet and 3 inches tall and had a waistline about 25 to 26. So kung hindi nyo pa alam, ngayon alam nyo na. Hindi pala gaanong katakaran si Dr. Jose Rizal. Di ba nga guys, si Rizal ay isang doktor. So his first patient as a doctor in his homeland was his sister Olympia, who was pregnant but subsequently died of miscarriage along with the offspring. Did you know that there are 3 animal species were named after Rizal? The Draco Rizali, a species of flying dragon; Rhacoporus rizali, a species of toad; and Apogania rizali, a beetle species. Rizal proficiency extended to the realm of martial art, where he acquired skills in the various forms such as arnis, stick fighting, wrestling, boxing, and fencing. So guys, si Rizal hindi lamang magiting at matalino, meron din siyang mabuting puso kung saan he spent 500 pesos for coconut oil lamps for the street of Dapitan. Balit alam niyo ba guys, sabi nila na si Dr. Jose Rizal ay isang gambler because he joined or buy lottery ticket which he won 1/3 of the grand prize, 18,000. Alam niyo ba, ang huling sinabi ni Rizal bago siya namatay ay consummatum is, which means it is finished or natapos na. Last but not the least, the most interesting fact about Rizal is the implementation of Rizal Law, which requires all educational institutions in the Philippines to offer courses about Rizal. So guys, that's all for today's video. I hope you learned something. See you on my next video.